Welcome to Alcoholic. Get the best content at the shortest time. Please like, share and subscribe. Hello everyone, Ian here. So, this is the fourth video of this session. In this video we will know how to implement a radio button. So, what is a radio button? I think you already know. If you don't know it by name, I am sure you all have seen and used this by checking such options. So, let's open Android Studio and create a new project. Select an empty activity. Let's name it Radio Button Example. So, before we proceed, see, in this app, we have made use of more than one radio buttons. So instead of including them individually, we will use another widget over here, known as the radio group. A radio group in Android is a widget that can hold one or more than one radio buttons. So, by default, a constrained layout resides. Replace it with a relative layout, or you may keep it constrained layout if you wish. Now, inside the relative layout tags, include the radio group. Similarly, since the radio group will contain the radio buttons, let's include them between the radio group tags. Similarly, include more, as many as you want. Simply copy and paste the first one, but make sure to keep individual and unique IDs. Well, so, we are all set with our simple layout for this app. Before we proceed, let's provide an ID to the radio group. Okay, so now go to your main activity.java file. Now, here we will use a method to detect any change of the selection, that is which radio group of the radio button is checked by the user. We will use a method known as onClick changed. So see, this method has two parameters. A radio group and an integer, as you can see. The integer I is for indexing purpose inside the radio group. So, here we will make use of switch case statement. As I always say, learn it by making. Here we will learn and implement a new thing, a new concept in Java. The switch case statement. Now, let's implement. The ID provided to any widget in Android Studio resides inside the resource folder. Hence the ID of any widget is essentially an integer, which specifies its identity in the resource folder. So, for the switch statements here, the unique IDs are the cases. Okay, so we are all set. Now, it's time to run the application on a real device. Okay, something is going wrong. Let's spot out. Hey, that's a silly mistake. I haven't written the break statement, so it was malfunctioning. Let's rectify and run it again. We will learn about break and continue statements in details later in our Java session. Now just let's use it purposefully. Hey, it's working fine. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit on the bell icon to get notified about our latest releases.